Hello everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, from whichever part of world you are watching this video. Today we're going to write a function to check if a string is a palindrome or not. So the question is, what is a palindrome, right? What are the requirements? A palindrome is a word, phrase, number, or other sequences of characters that read the same forward and backward. Okay. So let's start coding. So I'm going to write a public function, public static, and this method is tied to a class, public static, and the return type is a boolean because I want to return true or false, and name of the function, check palindrome. And the input arguments is a string, str, and let's close the function. So I'm going to use a string builder. I'm going to create a new object of string builder type. And then I'm going to pass the string that we inputted as argument to the constructor. And I'm going to leverage an inbuilt function of string builder, which gives you ability to reverse the string. Okay, so if str.equals string builder dot reverse function, this is the function that I'm going to leverage to reverse the string and check whether both of them are equal or not. Okay, if it's equal, then I'm going to return true, else return false. That's it. Dot check palindrome. I'm going to give level. Similarly, I'm going to check for the negative test case. And debug. And now I'm going to execute. Indentation is very important. That brings the readability. We have an error, which is I forgot a semicolon. Let's execute. Oops. Now both the cases return false, right? I know definitely there's something wrong with our function. So let's look at what is wrong here, right? So the input type is a string, right? And then that we give as an argument to the string builder constructor. We created a string builder object. And now we are comparing the string object with the string builder object, which is always going to give us a false, right? So here we need to convert a string builder object to a string and then check whether both the strings are equal or not. So let's run our program again and check whether this time it works. Voila, it did work. The initial string was a palindrome, so it returned true. The second string was not a palindrome, so it returned false.